Hey guys, welcome back into the channel. Today we're going to be working on the headlights here on the Sequoia. These ones are original to the vehicle that are now 18 years old. I don't know if you can quite pick it up on camera, but they are quite foggy, quite difficult to see anything out of. Yeah, there's maybe a better shot. We're going to swap those out real quick, hopefully show you how to do it. I have not really investigated or looked it up, so we're going to figure it out. All right, so these are the headlights that I'm going to be replacing, switching out here today. These are Amazon specials. I think I paid like around $100 for them. There's some mixed reviews out there, but I mean, for $100, like, you kind of get what you get, I think. So we'll see how long they last here. There's not a whole lot of options is the problem for the first gen Sequoia. There's some Amazon lights. I think there's a company TEQ Customs that makes a headlight, which is significantly more expensive than these, probably better build quality, but for the price that those cost, I could switch these out several times. So honestly, the look of them looks pretty good. I've just seen some issues with like moisture and stuff getting inside, but it's not going to be any worse than the cracks and moisture and fogs that I already have. You can see this one is blacked out on the inside, which I think will look a little bit better than the current version of just the stock look. So sorry, get it in, see. All right, so looking at the backside of the headlight housing here, it looks like so there's a bulb down here. This is just right there, just an easy twist, and it'll pop right out. So we'll have to take that out. We have a connection point right here that we're going to have to figure out how to get off. And then there's the main headlight that's right down here that will twist out as well. Once we do that, it looks like there's just a couple bolts to take out. I believe these are 10 millimeters, one here and then one up top here. And then this guy connects to the side housing headlight. And that is just kind of a clip that's on there. So we'll pop that off. Once we get that done, we'll see where we're at. Okay, so once we took out the two 10 millimeter bolts that were here and over here, the headlight housing itself becomes free. But first you have to take out the side piece first. If you come in here, there's just two clips that clip down into here. The way we got it to come out, once you take that clip out there, is just to get underneath here and kind of pop it up and pull straight out. Once that comes out, that comes free, and then you can remove the two bolts there. All right, so now that the headlight itself is out, we have one more clip here right back there that we couldn't get to while the housing was still in place because the clip for it's underneath and we just couldn't get anything in there to clip it out. So we saved that one for last. Now that it's free, there's enough play that we can get back there to unclip it. All right, so just for comparison here with the lights on, you can see the new side there. Definitely more clear than the original foggy side there. I think that's going to be a big upgrade in the actual visibility and lighting. So we'll get the other side going and see what it looks like. And here we are with the lights on, just to see. I did keep the original, the same bulbs that were in. So these, I did not upgrade or change those out just to see what it would look like with the exact same bulbs in. And I think it's definitely going to be a much improved vision and light on the road for sure. Much more clear. So yeah. All right, well, overall, I think it turned out really well. All right, well, thanks for watching the video on the new headlights there. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can, if you're interested, those lights should work for either the first generation Sequoia or the Tundra. So I'll let you guys know kind of how they turn out and how they work over time. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.